Here I've got POCO M3, and let me show you how to change voicemail notification sound on the following device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, here tap on More, and go to the settings. Now locate and mark voicemail, and here pick the SIM card that you have, include it in your device, and this that you would like to change this ringtone to. Pick notifications, and select sound. And here you just have to choose the ringtone that you would like to apply as your voicemail notification sound. Let me choose, for example, guitar. Then you can go back and it will be already changed. Here it is. So that would be all. This is how you can change voicemail notification sound in your POCO M3. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.